Hi. Welcome to Easy English. Let's learn. 100 sentences. Father. My father is the best role model I could ask for. My father works hard to provide for our family. I love spending time with my father. My father is always there for me, no matter what. I am so grateful to have such a wonderful father. My father taught me everything I know about life. I am proud to be my father's son. My father is my biggest fan. I love the way my father makes me laugh. I can always count on my father for advice and support. My father is my hero. I am so lucky to have my father in my life. My father is the best father a child could ask for. I love my father more than words can say. My father is my rock. I can always count on my father to be there for me. My father is my biggest supporter. I am so proud of the man my father is. I am so grateful for everything my father has done for me. I love the way my father loves my mother. My father is the best husband a woman could ask for. I love the way my father plays with his grandchildren. My father is the best grandfather a grandchild could ask for. I love the way my father teaches his children about life. My father is the best teacher a child could ask for. I love the way my father makes me feel loved and safe. My father is my protector. I love the way my father encourages me to follow my dreams. My father is my biggest believer. I love the way my father celebrates my successes. My father is my biggest cheerleader. I love the way my father comforts me when I am sad. My father is my shoulder to cry on. I love the way my father makes me laugh, even when I don't feel like it. My father is my sunshine on a cloudy day. I love the way my father makes me feel like I can do anything. My father is my biggest inspiration. I love the way my father teaches me to be a good person. My father is my moral compass. I love the way my father shows me what it means to be a man. My father is my role model. I love the way my father gives back to his community. My father is a selfless man. I love the way my father makes the world a better place. I love you, Dad. Happy Father's Day, Dad. I am so blessed to have you as my father. You are the best father a child could ask for. I love you more than words can say. My father is a father who is my best friend. My father is a father who is my role model. My father is a father who is my hero. My father is a father who I love more than words can say. My father is the wisest man I know. My father is always there to give me advice. My father is the strongest man I know. My father is always there to protect me. My father is the funniest man I know. My father always knows how to make me laugh. My father is the most caring man I know. My father always puts my needs before his own. My father is the most supportive man I know. My father always believes in me. My father is the most loving man I know. My father tells me he loves me every day. My father is the best father a child could ask for. I am so grateful to have my father in my life. My father is my everything. I love my father more than words can say. My father is my best friend. My father is my inspiration. My father is a man of few words, but he always knows how to say the right thing. My father is a man of action, and he always teaches me to work hard for what I want. My father is a man of integrity, and he always teaches me to be honest and fair. My father is a man of faith, and he always teaches me to believe in myself and in God. My father is the best father a child could ask for, and I am so grateful to have him in my life. My father is a single father who raised me and my siblings all on his own. My father is a foster father who has opened his home to dozens of children over the years. My father is a stepfather who has loved me like his own since I was a little kid. My father is a father figure to many of my friends and neighbors. My father is a grandfather who is always up for playing with his grandchildren. My father is a great-grandfather who loves to share stories about his life with his great-grandchildren. My father is a father-in-law who is always welcoming and supportive. My father is a father of the bride who is so proud of his child on their wedding day. My father is a father who is always there for his children, no matter what their age. My father is a father who loves his children unconditionally. My father is the most hardworking person I know. My father is always willing to help others. My father is a kind and generous man. My father is a man of great wisdom and experience. My father is always there for me, even when I make mistakes. My father is my biggest fan and my strongest supporter. My father has always taught me to be the best person I can be. I am so grateful for everything my father has done for me. I love my father more than anything in the world. My father is very disciplined. Father is a supporter of my dreams. The home is incomplete without a father. My father works all day. My father taught me the principles of life. Let's learn. Easy English. Like, share, subscribe. Follow us. Thanks for watching.